Hi, welcome to the multi-part series on Google Calendar. This is the third part in the Google Calendar series. In this part, we will learn how to integrate Zoom with Google Calendar. Zoom is an online meeting tool which allows you to create and schedule meetings with different people. Zoom allows people to join using their computers and mobile phones to meetings created using Zoom software. To download Zoom, you need to visit zoom.us/download. From there, click on the download button as shown in this image. You can create a free account with Zoom, or you can sign in using your Google account. I would recommend to sign in using your Google account because that way you will be able to integrate your Google Calendar with Zoom very easily. Once you have downloaded the Zoom application, you can open the file by double-clicking on it, and once you open the file, you will see a window as shown here. Once you click on Sign in with Google account, it takes you to a sign-in screen wherein you can select your Google account that you want to use to log in to Zoom. Once you select the login account, Google prompts you to send a second step verification message to your mobile phone. Click on Send. You will receive a text message. Enter the code received in the text message in the screen. Once the two-step verification process is complete, you are signed into Zoom using your Google account. Now once you have signed into Zoom, it asks you to select your date of birth. You can select your date of birth. And then click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, because this is the first time that you are signing into Zoom, it asks you to create an account. Click on Create an account. It asks you to open the Zoom application that we just downloaded. Click on Open Zoom.us. After you open Zoom.us application, you should now be able to see yourself signed into the Zoom application as shown here. After you have signed into Zoom, now it's time for us to add the Zoom add-on to our Google Calendar. To do so, click on the plus button on the right hand side of your Google Calendar screen. Once you open the add-on screen, it shows you different add-ons. Zoom for G Suite would be the first one. Click on this one. Click on Install. Click on Continue. Now you are required to provide your permission so that Google allows the Zoom application to access your account data. Click on the account that you want to use. Now it will send you a verification code on your registered mobile number to verify that you are the person who is trying to register for the Zoom application is actually the correct account owner. Click on Send. You would have received a mobile text message on your phone. Enter the code received in the message. Click Next. And it shows you all the different things now Zoom needs to access in order for it to be able to schedule meetings on your behalf. Click on Allow. Wait for the process to be completed. Now it says that Zoom has been installed on your Google Calendar. Click on Done. You can now close this pop-up, and now you should be able to see Zoom icon on the right hand toolbar of your Google Calendar. Now to integrate Zoom meetings into any existing or new events, you can simply select the existing event, click on the edit icon, and select Zoom from the Add Conferencing drop-down. Once you try to do so, it requires you to log in. Click on the login button. It takes you to the Zoom login screen, and from there select Sign in with Google. Now it requires you to authorize the Google Calendar application to access Zoom data. Click Authorize. Now Zoom will add conferencing details to your meeting. As you can see, your meeting details have been added to your meeting. Click on the Save. Once you do so, it will ask you to save. Because this is a recurring event, you can add these details to this and the following events. So now these details are applicable for all the instances of these events from this date onward. Click OK. Send the updates to your guests by clicking on the Send button. And now these details would be available to your guests in their calendar when they want to join the meetings that you have created. The same process applies for the new events that you create. So if you want to create a new event, just drag and drop, click. When you see this pop-up, just add conferencing, select Zoom meeting, and then add a title to your meeting. Now you can add the meeting details to your meeting, click, and then click on Save. The meeting will now be saved. Thanks for watching. In this video, we showed how to integrate Zoom with Google Calendar. Integration of Zoom is very easy and straightforward if you follow the instructions as shown in this video.